Okay. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about metadata. Metadata is data about data. I was entering caption information and photographer credit and all that stuff way back in the early 90s, even before we were doing digital photography. We were scanning in negatives into the computer and entering all that information on there. So this is nothing new. We have to label and mark what we have so we can go back and find it later on. I'm going to try to make this really quick. There's other tutorials that I'm going to attach to the assignment. So this is just how we're going to do stuff for here for right now in a Douglas cinematography. So this is going to help you with your B-roll assignment, your monthly B-roll assignment. So I have a project here. And if you go to Window, let me go back to like an assembly thing that makes it look more like Premiere or editing window. So right here we have the metadata open. I'm going to close that up and show you where to find it. So this is kind of how your screen would normally look. We're going to go to Window and click on metadata right here. So that was Window down here on the big check mark next to it. So we're not going to do a whole lot of it, but here the way the screen is set up, your files are all the way down here. I'm just going to have you guys go ahead and go into the meta logging workspace. So if it's not on the top right here, it's click these two little arrows, check meta logging. All right, now this might be kind of similar to what you're doing. I have a lot of clips and I shot them all about the same time. They're all of about the same thing. So I'm going to do a Control A. And since I've already started working with these pictures for a different tutorial, I have a sequence saved down here too because it has a different icon and some other project down here. So I'm going to click Control, unselect those, and now I just have the clips that I want to start editing or start labeling with my metadata. So there's two kinds that you learned in the other tutorial. Clip, which only saves information that this particular Adobe Premiere project can read. So this is all specific to the project and only readable in Premiere. So I'm going to close that up. I'm going to close up speech analysis, and what we have here is file and Dublin core. So let's take a look at that. All right, so we have everything that was shot with the drone that day selected. Now and we went to the metadata workspace. What I want you to do is go to contributor, type in the name of the person who videoed this. And I'm going to go ahead and paste my name into the author site as well. So, all right, so I have myself as the contributor and the author. I'm going to go ahead and type in keywords for this. So I want you guys to have at least 4 keywords per clip. And this is, again, since I have multiple clips selected, it's going to apply these keywords to multiple clips. So you don't have to go in and type type this in for each individual one. So let's do drone. Exterior. What else should we type in here? Douglas, Ariel, all right, that's 4. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add Winchester Road, and I'm going to also type in Winchester RD because people might use that term for the search term as well. Now, after I applied the information to all of the clips, I'm going to go and double click on unselect. Okay, here we go. It's a little slow. This one has a big part of the front parking lot. I'm going to type in front parking. And this one is a takeoff shot. So I'm going to do takeoff. And 2 words. Just in case someone makes it 1 word and one person searching makes it 2 words to make it easier to find. All right, so I could go through and maybe add like something unique to different ones if they're unique. And that's about it. So after you do that, then just put these clips in the Google Drive shared folder, and when people search for clips later, it's going to be a lot easier to find them. Thank you very much.